ordinary Indians didn't necessarily have to travel abroad to buy multinational brands. After his stint as finance minister ended in 1996, Dr. Singh was the leader of the opposition in the Rajya Sabha from 1998 to 2004. After the Congress-led United Progressive Alliance came to power in 2004 Lok Sabha elections, India witnessed an unforgettable political drama when Sonia Gandhi pulled out of the race for Prime Minister after many opposed her for her Italian roots. Dr. Singh, who sat passively by her side, was suddenly the chosen one. For someone who had failed to win a Lok Sabha seat, things had come a full circle. He got into parliament through the Rajya Sabha. He was sworn in as the Prime Minister for the first time in May 2004. During his first tenure, India witnessed a phenomenal GDP growth of 9%. Some of the significant moves by his government were implementing the Mahatma Gandhi Narega Employment Guarantee Scheme, the National Rural Health Mission, and the Right to Education Act. One of his achievements in foreign policy was signing the US-India Civil Nuclear Agreement with the then US President George W. Bush. When Manmohan Singh was sworn in as the Prime Minister in 2009 again, he became the first PM since Jawaharlal Nehru to be elected after completing a full 5-year term. But Manmohan Singh's second term was mired with corruption allegations against his government. The 2G spectrum allocation case, the coal scam, rising fuel prices, food inflation, the declining value of the rupee were some of the episodes that led to a massive anti-incumbency wave across India. Opposition leaders regularly targeted him for not being vocal against his own alliance partners in the face of allegations. After ceding power to the Narendra Modi-led NDA alliance in 2014, he withdrew from public life. While his stints as PM had its share of highs and lows, as has the Indian economy itself, Dr. Manmohan Singh is regarded by many as the visionary behind the transformation of a closed economy to a more dynamic one, as India now ranks as the 5th largest economy in the world. During his last press conference, when Dr. Manmohan Singh was asked about the criticisms of his tenure as the Prime Minister, Dr. Singh simply stated,
I honestly believe that history will be kinder to me than the contemporary media or for that matter, the opposition parties in parliament.